In this video, I'll show you how to add photo in Canva. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, this video basically is an educational video only, so I'm just sharing my thoughts on what you should know basically, right? So what you need to do right now, if you have logged in on your Canva, right, what you're gonna do to add a photo, right? You're gonna click on this upload, right? So you're gonna click on this upload an image, right? Wait for it to load up. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna select this image, right? So click on open. So you can see from what I just uploaded, you can see it's currently loading up. So I just uploaded these two of our brand pictures, right? I can carry this and paste here, right? Think I can do that? Yeah. Oh yeah. So you can see it. You can see it. You can see everything literally, right? So I can reduce this. Yeah. So this is basically how you can add photo here in Canva. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you in the next one.